Leela, shall we learn a beautiful prayer to Sri Kamakshi Devi?
Let's learn it together, Kichu.
I'll say one line. You repeat after me. Mangala Charane Mangala Vadane
Mangala Charane Mangala Vadane
Mangala Dayini Kamakshi
Mangala Dayini Kamakshi
Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam
Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam
Kunjari Janani Kamakshi.
Kunjari Janani Kamakshi.
Excellent, Leela. What does the prayer mean?
We praise Sri Kamakshi, whose sacred feet and beautiful face are filled with auspiciousness. We remember her as the Divine Mother of Sri Muruga and Sri Ganesha and pray for her blessings of goodness and well-being. Shall we chant it once more, Kichu?
Let's chant together. Mangala Charane Mangala Vadane
Mangala Dayini Kamakshi
Guru Guha Janani Kuru Kalyanam
Kunjari Janani Kamakshi.
That was beautiful, Leela.
See you in the next tale.